everybody, this is round 5 and 6 of the PRO series. We're just in the truck, got the family loaded up, and we're excited about this weekend. You know, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. You gonna go make friends? Go play. New camper setup, pretty sweet.
16 years old or older, okay? We don't want kids swirling around on them because...
Just got done with my first moto. Got first, but I was not on my A game. Hey, what are you guys doing right now?
We're gonna ride on the golf cart.
Yeah.
And some stuff.
What's happening right here?
Bicycles are being jumped.
What's the chances this kid's actually gonna crash?
A lot.
He doesn't. Bruh. Nice. See that whip? Did you guys see it? Oh.
No, I'm not.
You know, I missed. Oh.
Yeah, no, RCs are sick. These idiots just got yelled at. Kyle, you got it. Aww.
Lay down. Let him jump you. Hey, guys, let's light the kids on fire first.
Yeah, we've got gasoline. Throw a whip, of course.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, Felicia. Say chicken. Say chicken.
Sure.
What's up? Day 2,
All right.
round
Fusion
6.
Graphics, big
at the riders
sponsors here
meeting.
this weekend. We appreciate
down here
everything
today.
they're doing. Ted's got some stuff to tell you about with Fusion Graphics.
Got a water balloon contest going on here. Kids versus parents. Go, 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 go! Get him, Dax! Get him, Dax! Oh, you missed! You missed! Oh. Oh. Got a competition to win some gear. We're on the line.
Okay,
My
you have to get
size.
your ticket. Go.
What? Alright, missed that one. We're gonna go round 2. Yep, I did. He didn't care.
He didn't care.
He didn't care.
I can tell.
Alright, now we're working for a $1,000 off prize giveaway to our next bike. Dude, these glasses are bright. Look at that. To the doggy. No. Yeah, that's good.
So whoever gets to me first.
Which way is the wind
We're going
blowing?
motorcycle.
Wind's blowing this way.
Ready, go.
Oh no.
Yeah. Is that ours? We got Luke over here.
Yeah, bring it to me.
Logan. What's on the other side? They're going crazy.
Come on, Luke, let's go.
got $1,000.
And the winner is
They got it?
Mr. Barrett. $1,000.
Got a down rider out here. We've been chilling now for quite a while. Riders have just been up on the line, wherever the line's at, over there. Yeah, and yeah, it sucks. Part of our sport is the crashes and the risks, but you know, I think that's why we probably love it so much. Is that there is risk to it, and I feel like deep down inside of all of us guys, can't speak entirely for girls, but I think we just naturally there's something in us that wants to put ourselves in harm's way for some reason or another, you know.
It's a 271, rider not on my list. And 911
All right, that concludes our video. All in all, we had 2 great, incredible days out of the PRO series out at Horn Rapids. I was able to walk away winning all my motos and walking away with 2 first place trophies, which brings me up to leading my points for the 30+ intermediate class, which I'm super stoked about. And super big thanks to Viral Goggles and Glasses for my new glasses. They were awesome all weekend. I just got LASIK last year, so my eyes are a little bit more sensitive to light than they used to be, but 100% better having LASIK than wearing glasses. So these things really kept me protected all weekend, which was phenomenal. Hey, I also got a special giveaway going on right now. I got some of our brand new DVDs in, and I got a bunch of some sponsors that paid for them for you guys. So if anybody is looking to improve their riding, we got a bunch of MX Training Secrets DVD. So these are specifically on how to corner and how to corner more effectively. I've worked with some of the best riders in the industry, motocross and supercross riders, to help put this program together. DVD is free. All you gotta do is go to my website right now. I do charge shipping, which is like $3, and you can get the DVD. And then if you want the whole program, which comes with all the riding tips, we get weekly emails, you get our community group, you get over 50 training videos, you get all kinds of access to me through an app we have. It's a really great program. It's only $25 right now. So if you guys want the DVD, it's free. Just pay for shipping, and the book is only like $20. So go check that out. I had a mentor work with me a few years ago, and he said, Kyle, like, what is it that millionaires or successful people have that that most people don't have in their house? And I was like, I don't know, nice cars, like a big house. And he said books. Like, successful people have bookshelves. You know, successful people find people who've already succeeded in that area, and they study them, and they model that success to create success in their own life. And so, look, why would a motocross rider read a book? Who even watches DVDs? But at the end of the day, like, if you want to be successful, if you want to watch or study someone who's gone before you and has done all the hard stuff, and you can just start today modeling their success, our DVD and our book is just perfect for that. Like always, man, if your riding is going great, you're winning all your classes, like, just keep doing what you guys are doing. Obviously, it's working, but if you're still struggling to try to get to that next class, if you're still struggling to get to that podium and just become that better rider, like, do something, make a change, check out our stuff, and I guarantee it'll work, or we'll even refund your money. So let's go, baby.